So thank you for coming to Excel presentation today. Today, I would like to share an exciting product, so please enjoy it. But before starting presentation, please look at this figure. 17,000. This number is a number of missing people because of Alzheimer's in 2019 in Japan. This is a huge number, and this is a big problem in Japan. And maybe in the future, your country is also facing the similar situation. So, Excel is trying to improve this situation, and we are offering the nursing sensors or watching systems or caring sensors. And today, I'd like to pick up one product. iBaby. As you can see, it's so cute, right? But it's not only cute. It has a lot of functions to support senior care. The iBaby helps monitor your loved one's safety through our external sensor. So let's try. First, put iBaby beside the bed or at the entrance or in your living room, anywhere you want. And second, connect to your smartphone with iBaby. And now you can monitor your loved ones and also have a conversation, play a music and recording and so on. So now let's try to connect to external sensors. You can see here are some sensors. For example, bed sensors, floor sensors, or infrared sensors. Now let's combine those sensors to iBaby. For example, if the patient tries to leave the bed, did you hear the music, the sound? So it goes to iBaby and you can have the notifications on your smartphone. And of course, then you can check the monitor whether the patient is okay or not. Second, for example, if the patient wants to call you, then patients can use this call button. Let's push. And you can also have the notifications. And you can check again. And you can also have ask what's happened, and then he or she needs water, then you can just put the water. So as you can see, if you use the external sensors sold by Excel Engineering, you can use iBaby more efficiently. But this is only the beginning of the introduction. So if you need more information about iBaby or our sensors, please feel free to contact us. And now, our CEO is trying to explain our company and vision. So please enjoy at the very end.
Thank you, Ruka. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Excel Engineering. I'm owner of the company. My name is Yasuokam. This is a 24 years history. Another 1 week, we just come to 25 years. It's a little bit long history company in Japan, industry of this Alzheimer people to supporting product company. And so after different type of the product development, but we are approaching is finally for Alzheimer and those people supporting product, and also healthcare industry for hospital use or nursing home as well. So in Japan, it's approx 2 million people about Alzheimer. This is low and high, so but a huge number of the people. And generally in Japan, is Alzheimer reason to die is number 7 position to reason to die. So this is not only for Japan, this is a global market in the whole world. This is the latest news from the WHO letters. So this is a very, very important matters for not only Japan. So your country is growing country or big company, big countries. So this is the same story. Getting old, especially in the women, is a little bit longer life people. So those people are approaching finally for Alzheimer. So this is very, very important for our company mission to help and support Alzheimer people and supporting staff for Alzheimer business and supporting hospital. So just so simply, I'd like to show what is Excel doing for those people in the hospital. And Ruka told you about home care basis, because smart home basis, but actually we are company basic is a nursing home and hospital. So this is you can see. This is for our company history of the product for nursing home or hospital people supporting. So here is like a wetness sensor. This is getting wet. So this one detect wetness, then come to the iBaby, then come to the smartphone to notice. So this is one of the product for product. So and also we have a facility or hospital use. So this is for a wireless system for facility use, nurse call network. In Japan, is traditionally this kind of the wireless connection to the nurse station alarm. So many countries same, but Asian countries may be using same system. But we are providing wireless regularly. We have another solution for wired network to a nurse station. We can excel is a specialty in this industry for nurse call system network. So those products happen to the fall prevention and happened. So we could immediately announce to the nurse station and staff. So this is very important to avoid future and further trouble or egg trouble for yours. So this is very important our system. So we'd like to another solution. We are making many different type of the sensors, not only hardware. We are also making sensors like this. Please show this one. So this is our product lineup for bed sensor and wide, long, and this is for side rail, clicks, and then alarm, go to nurse station to alarm. This is like a grip for simple touching, the small power touch. So this is for many different type of the size of the floor mat. This is typically in use in Japanese market. Huge number of the demand of use in Japan. We are providing small size, medium size, and big size. So Alzheimer patient is always looking for going out. So we are find good solution for good fitting to the protect and watching the Alzheimer people going out. So big one and small one, we need it, depend on patient action. So also we have another this is a chair part. The patient go out from wheelchair. So this is the most important to avoid the protection and damage in the floor. So my company Excel is expanding. Is a many different type of product for Alzheimer people supporting. And today, Ruka explained that IBB. So this is my company is doing not only for home care. We are doing for facility use. So this is we are many camera IBB here. So not only one person, one to one. This is a facility use, and we are maybe you could see our website. That you can take a look our new technologies for prevention. 9 seconds before and 6 seconds after. Once fall down from bed, so you can see our new technologies. So all 15-second history is recorded in the your smartphone or either PC. So then you could see what happened 9 seconds before. Also, what happened 6 seconds. So totally, you could start and up to hold down. So everybody study what happened, why happened. So this is very important to protect those Alzheimer people damage and injury. So this is very important our function product. iBaby is a good solution to explain all people in house, outside, everybody. So all information could be shared. So this is very good solution to the everybody to help. This is for my company instruction and about in the direction of the iBaby. So iBaby is our new product, new technologies. So please take a look and for use for your safety support for Alzheimer and all people in home care, nursing home, in hospital. So this is our Excel explanation today.